SPM English, narrative. SPM English, narrative.
Write a story ending with, "If only I had been more careful, that wouldn't have happened." Write a story ending with, "If only I had been more careful, that wouldn't have happened." One Saturday afternoon, I had to babysit my 3-year-old little sister. My mother was going out and my father had to work overtime. My little sister, Angie, was cute and witty. She had a pair of large sparkling eyes and a pretty face. She was hyperactive and loved to play hide and seek with me. Though we had a loving relationship, there were annoying moments as well. A few months ago, I accidentally left my geography project, which I had just completed, in the living room. I was supposed to hand in the handwritten project to my teacher the next day. When Angie got hold of it, she tore it into pieces. Although I was furious to find out she had done, I had myself to blame for not keeping the project in an appropriate place. Consequently, I had to stay up late to redo the whole project. Not long after I started to babysit Angie that afternoon, my best classmate, Victor, called me on the phone. He told me that his father had just bought him the latest model of PlayStation and he invited me to play computer games together with him at his house. I accepted his invitation and decided to bring Angie along. Victor was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. His father was an extremely successful and wealthy businessman. Upon arriving at the gate of his triple-story palatial mansion, I pressed the doorbell. Soon, a servant appeared in a golf cart. With the cart, he brought Angie and me to the house as there was a large garden at its front. Victor greeted us on the porch. After entering his house, he led us up a flight of grand staircase which led to his spacious bedroom located on the second story of the house. Victor offered us some refreshment. Then, we started to play a computer game. Angie was left to play on her own. While we were playing the game, she was playing with some of Victor's soft toys. We were so engrossed by the game that we forgot to keep an eye on her. About 15 minutes later, all of a sudden we heard screams from the staircase. At that moment, we realized that Angie was missing from the room. "Where's Angie, Ben?" Victor asked. "That beats me," I replied. Extremely taken aback, we ran out of the room to check what had happened. We were shocked to see Angie lying at the bottom of the stairs. It appeared that she had fallen down the stairs. She was unconscious. Victor called for an ambulance instantly and Angie was sent to hospital. After a doctor had examined Angie, she was found to suffer from a broken arm. She had to be hospitalized for treatment. I got a good scolding from my parents for being so irresponsible. I was also grounded for a fortnight. I felt sorry for Angie and regretted my negligence. If only I had been more careful, that wouldn't have happened.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.